Was your Facebook page suspended recently? If that's the case, then this video is definitely for you and me as well, okay? This is the date and time of our recording, June 19, Friday, 1:04 p.m. Manila time. As we can see here, around 16 minutes ago, we received a notification from Facebook Meta. It says here, you're back on track. Okay, we're recommending your page again. If we click on see more, it says here, your page can be recommended. Okay, more people will start to see what you share on your page now that you're eligible to be recommended again. Okay, so keep creating unique content that follows the rules. Okay, so we have options here to create a post, a story, and a Facebook reel. Now, to put more context, I recently received a Facebook suspension. The specific reason is due to inauthentic engagement. That's Saturday last week, June 13, 2026. I received a notification that my account got suspended. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to share the story about what happened, why we got a violation, or our Facebook content monetization tool got suspended, while I navigate through our Facebook page, like Anika Family Vlogs, so that you can also see the actual violations and the prompts we received from Facebook for transparency reason and for proof. Okay, in this entire video. So, for example, we have here our 6,982 followers as of the date and time of our recording. The specific violation we received on our page is suspension of content monetization tool for reels, photos, and text, including the Facebook stars. Okay, due to inauthentic engagement. Okay, I would like to reiterate and highlight that even when our page, us personally, do not engage into any fake engagement or false engagement with any other, with any people, or with any other group, the Facebook Meta system still detected that there were some imprints of those kind of activities. As a result, our Facebook page was given a violation, and as a result, the account got suspended and we lost access to our monetization tools features. Okay, now if we're going to look at our reels, what I've noticed here, even if you're watching right now, you can freely look into the Facebook reels that we have on our homepage. Around mid-April, we're able to receive eligibility for content monetization. That's a mid-April. Um, Considering that we only have 200 followers, okay? So imagine that we look at the followers right now, it's 6.9 thousand. Meaning, the moment we realize that our Facebook page, like Anika Family Vlogs, got considered by Facebook Meta for content monetization, even when we only have 200 followers, we really tried to take the opportunity, or we grabbed the opportunity to produce quality content. The core niche or content is a family oriented videos, funny family moments, and at times I also inject Facebook analysis and a few sports context whenever applicable. Okay, and basically, and we also inject our small sewing business. Okay, so even when we have a variety of a niche or content, it didn't really negatively impact the traffic or distribution of our videos to our audience overall. In fact, it really boosted our reach and distribution. And if you can imagine that mid-April 2026, and right now it's June 19, we managed to obtain 6.9 thousand followers. But I would like to reiterate that these were all organic. Okay, we didn't engage into any false um, activities like fake engagement. We don't do fake engagement or false engagement with any viewer or any Facebook groups. Okay, but it so happened that the Facebook system still detected some imprints that those kind of activities were present somewhere on our page, and as a result we got demonetized. Okay, and our access to our content monetization tool features such as the the reels, the photos and text, including the Facebook stars, were no longer eligible to earn. Okay, now another thing to point at or to look at, if you're going to check, these were our videos around April. So we will notice here we really tried to make it a point to upload as much of videos as we can during the sweet spot according to the Facebook analytics. And with that, we're able to increase the number of people discovering our Facebook page. So I just want to share it with you guys so that it will make sense, not just because of the suspension. It's better to share the story before jumping through the actual violation, which is the main topic of this video, so that it can make sense. Because if you understand what happened to us, to what we are sharing right now based on our experience, it may also help you on your end. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this part. As you can see here, these videos were only hovering around the let's say 500 to 1,000 views. Okay, 2,000. So these weren't really monetized yet, but I already received. These were the times when I start receiving extra $1 bonuses from Facebook Meta, and we're able to complete the task. And then weeks after that, we will notice here this video with 26,000 800,000 views. So this is the first video we had on our Like Anika family vlogs, wherein um, the highest views I can remember was about 5,000, and this particular video reached 26,000. So from here we really tried our best to upload quality videos, multiple quality videos, um, multiple original quality videos, okay, from our family. And we also include our friends. And of course I will highlight my daughter and my wife. So it's really a group effort, a team effort with the family. And we can see here a bunch of family oriented content, sewing and clothing business content. And then in the long run, I tried to explore more and do some voiceover, wherein the main topic would be about Facebook analysis, and then interpreting the data I can see on the Facebook performance dashboard insights. Okay, and then we have here some unboxing videos with my wife. And then slowly but surely the channel grew. We also have since the main core of our Facebook page is family oriented videos, we also share our videos when we travel a lot, when we go to some beaches in the Philippines. Okay, as I hover towards the upper part of the Facebook Reels homepage, we can see here it's slowly gaining momentum. We're starting to reach 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. And if we're going to go to the most latest videos, um, we can see here we even got the highest views around five more than half a million views, and then 400,000 views. And then we have here another video, fabric rolling machine with 520,000 views. Okay, now I want to highlight this part wherein days after the demonetization, you can see here this thumbnail highlighted in red. uh, I mean, the background of the thumbnail is red, and then it shows demonetized on the text. Okay, even though the page is already demonetized, um, 'cause what happened here after the Facebook glitch, wherein people around the world are not able to log into their Facebook accounts. Um, the following day or the following morning, the page got demonetized or suspended of the content monetization feature. And then I tried to discuss about the inauthentic engagement violation we received. And then the unwanted engagement, I tried to research what happened, why we got that violation. I still continued posting videos from there. We're still gaining 1,000 views after being demonetized or suspended. But as you can see here, this video with Penging Donut, this 544 view reels, it started to decline. The last 6 videos we had, they can barely reach 1,000 views. So if I'm going to share our professional dashboard, this is how it looks like. Okay, your page needs attention. See how you can help fix any issues and prevent a restriction. So, I've already taken the next necessary steps to request for review. Check with the Meta AI uh, support assistant. Okay, the Chat GPT version of Facebook Meta. So, I've already done all of those next steps. As we can see here, we're still seeing the icon with the page has some issues mark. Okay, and then for the community standard violation, no good news, no violations to show. Recommendations are still active, but this has been active ever since. It's still recommendable even when we got suspended. So the only red flag we had here is this monetization suspended um, sanction. It says here your page ability to earn is suspended. So I have already clicked on review issue and then read through the policies and guidelines again. So the takeaway for this one is that if you're someone like us who received a suspension from Facebook Meta, and I I honestly I really felt discouraged. I don't even want to post any videos anymore. But at the end of the day, I still continued posting videos, even one video a day. Okay, just to give Facebook the suggestion or the impression that I'm still eager to continue with content creation. Okay, and with that, after a few days or 1 week, we received this notification. So you're back on track. We're recommending your page again. So what I'm going to do is to monitor or closely monitor whether the next videos we will upload will really gain more traction again as usual, like gaining 1,000 views or even 100,000s of views again. And then I'll give you an update whether or not we're going to be successful on regaining our content monetization um, access once again. Okay, so again, to wrap up this video, we do not engage into any false or fake engagement. I would like to send the message that what I did in the past 1 week is to do a cleanup. Okay, meaning I tried to review each comments coming from our viewers and the followers from all of our videos from the Philippines and outside the Philippines, because what happened here when I do the tutorials or the analysis on Facebook, I try to deliver using the English language, because I'm capable of delivering my videos either in Filipino or Tagalog, or I can also deliver or express my video delivery in pure 100% English. Okay, so that's what I'm doing as an additional best practice. Previously, when we were gaining high, significantly high momentum, and it reflects on the number of followers obtained, including the earnings. Okay, when I tried to use the moderation assist, I only activated it June 8th. Okay, without realizing, or it's late when I realized that there were some comments before June 8th, wherein some comments of the people from the Philippines and other people from outside the Philippines or other countries, their comments suggest unwanted engagement or false engagement. Okay, so I'm in the impression that those were the instances. There were even links of WhatsApp websites, or it's a link that will redirect you to another website, which feels like definitely looks like a spam, a fake engagement, or untrusty um, website from a non-reputable source. Okay, so I did a cleanup. So whatever words or keywords I noticed to be demonstrating false engagement, I added it on the moderation assist feature, so that if a viewer will type those words, it won't reflect on the comments. Disable the ability to post links and pictures, and then if necessary, if it's really irrelevant to the video, or it doesn't the comment doesn't make sense with the topic of on the actual video, I need to firmly decide whether or not I will delete the comment. Okay, so those are the necessary steps I've taken to clean up our account, and it appears that we're starting to get fruitful results. But the aim of this one is really to remove the violation, and that we can continue with the access on the Facebook content monetization tools feature. Okay, I'm really not expecting for anyone to stay this long on this video, but if ever someone will reach this part, I would really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for listening. um, I really don't do any scripts when I when I do the voiceovers. Okay, what's on my mind, I just deliver it real time. Okay, so everything would be authentic and genuine. I wouldn't really edit it that much. No need to edit anymore. That's it. So I just hope, if you're someone like us who are experiencing the same thing, wherein your Facebook page got suspended with the same, especially if it's the exact reason, inauthentic engagement, I hope we can finally get to the bottom of this and fix it, and we can continue enjoying the Facebook community, and at the same time earn a little bit of passive income for uh, for the sake of our um loved ones, especially our family. Okay? Thank you so much. Stay tuned for our next video.